Now, how do you write on the screen on your iPad? Let's get started and explain this. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so it all comes down whether or not you have the Apple Pencil, because if you do, with the Apple Pencil properly set up, you can just touch the black screen like that, and it will initiate like a blank canvas where you can start writing right away. It's there, I mean, the feature is there to make sure that you don't miss the crucial moment of, like writing down the important note, so you can do that right away. And of course, once you use your iPad normally, you might as well just go to some applications where you can just draw, right? There is the Apple Notes, of course, where you have that option, but also plenty of other options. The most, noteworthy options include the Notability application or GoodNotes, right? So that's like all of the apps where you use the Apple Pencil to write on the screen. However, if you don't have the Apple Pencil, you can still utilize some of the options, like not the one where you touch the black screen, but you can still go to the like notes, for example, and go to the like canvas, enable the pen tool, change all of the, like thickness, colors, and all of the attributes, and just use your finger to draw and write instead of the Apple Pencil. And also, there are some third-party stylus options available on like Amazon or any other website where you don't really just buy the Apple Pencil, but you just get a stylus to touch the screen instead of your finger, right? So let me know if there's something very specific you've been wondering about. Let me know about that in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.